Here are the top programming languages to learn in 2025, based on their popularity, demand, and versatility. Python. Why learn it? Python remains the most popular programming language due to its simplicity, versatility, and extensive libraries for AI, data science, and web development. Use cases: AI or ML, data analysis, web development, Django/Flask, automation. Pros: easy to learn, large community support, and extensive frameworks. Average salary: high demand with competitive salaries. JavaScript. Why learn it? Essential for web development and increasingly used for backend development with Node.js. Use cases: web development, frontend and backend, mobile apps, React Native, game development. Pros: versatile, supported by numerous frameworks like React and Angular. Average salary: high demand for full-stack developers. Java. Why learn it? A robust and versatile language ideal for enterprise applications. Use cases: mobile apps, Android, backend systems, financial services. Pros: cross-platform compatibility, strong security features. Average salary: $93,118 per year. C. Why learn it? Widely used in game development, Unity, and enterprise applications. Use cases: game development, desktop apps, enterprise software. Pros: fast performance, large .NET ecosystem. Average salary: $84,243 per year. Golang. Why learn it? Known for its simplicity and efficiency in cloud-native applications. Use cases: backend systems, cloud infrastructure, big data. Pros: simple syntax, excellent concurrency support. Average salary: $99,627 per year. Rust. Why learn it? Focuses on performance and safety, ideal for systems programming. Use cases: operating systems, embedded systems, concurrent programming. Pros: memory safety without garbage collection. Average salary: increasing demand due to its rising popularity. Kotlin. Why learn it? Preferred for Android app development and interoperability with Java. Use cases: mobile apps, server-side applications. Pros: concise syntax and modern features. Popularity: growing among Android developers. Swift. Why learn it? Apple's primary language for iOS/macOS app development. Use cases: iOS apps, server-side Swift projects. Pros: fast execution and readable syntax. Summary. The best language to learn depends on your career goals. For AI or ML or data science, Python. For web development, JavaScript. For enterprise or mobile apps, Java or Kotlin. For game or VR development, C. For cloud-native or backend systems, Go or Rust. Like, share and subscribe for more videos.